Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We're going to start the second half of our today's conference session. We're going to have a keynote session titled The Potential of the UAS in the GCC region. Will be given by Ali Saleh Al-Yafei, the CEO of ADASI.
Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank you for coming and attending IDEX and UMIX. We will talk about UAE nation investing in the unmanned system for both military and commercial perspective. The UAE has been an early adopter of a defense-related unmanned system, and in particular UAVs. Here in UAE, we are making use of this technology in a broad range of applications. For example, intelligence, reconnaissance, and surveillance, with focus upon achieving higher level of integration between information generated by unmanned systems and generated by other sources. For example, for surveillance mission, we are seeing a trend towards a higher level of automatic or assisted processing. Over the next 5 years, I also see a significant increase of the use of unmanned system in other applications, such as sea-related application, and a demand of more low-cost, simple, and standalone systems for civilian applications in the commercial domains. At ADASI, we have a clear intent to deliver added value to our customers. Equally important is our mission to develop the technology and capability building for the UAE in unmanned systems. In order to achieve this mission, it is important that we select partners that can bring the required technology, know-how, and experience. ADASI has established partnership with a number of companies, both large, well-known, and respected entities, and small, medium enterprises. And we continue to look at establishing new partnership in order to achieve our strategic missions. ADASI already has a strong and experienced team in the unmanned systems domain. We have an established and fully operating facility for maintenance and operations. Accordingly, in the context of the new project, ADASI can provide strong support to its foreigner partners to accelerate the development and deployment of the new unmanned solutions. By way of examples, our partnership with an aerostat system developer will allow us to jointly support client to supply clearly defined complementary major parts of a complete aerostat systems. The partnership will allow for the joint marketing and use of each other's major subsystems as we seek to develop our customer base. It will also allow for joint participation in training and staffing if required. This partnership provides a win-win solution for both parties, as sales potential increases. Furthermore, it will enable ADASI to further develop its in-country design, operation, and capabilities. As another example, ADASI is currently working with an OEM to help optimize the delivery of repair and overhaul services to help to minimize component turnaround time and increase system availability, and therefore improve customer satisfaction. When working with our partners, we consider the value that will be brought to our customers. For example, increasing and improving product availability, technology capability development, the level of intellectual property, know-how, and value transferred to the UAE, economic viability. Prospective partners wishing to invest in UAE companies in the development of unmanned systems should consider matters such as generating economic benefits to UAE, job creation for Emiratis, capability building and development, for example, creation and transfer of intellectual property and know-how to the UAE, training of young workforce by strong interaction on projects with an experienced team. Does the product serve the purpose not only for the UAE, but for a larger international market? Does the product present an advancement of existing emerging technology? Preparing a detailed business plan, including setting out clearly defined objectives and deliverables. Evidencing their own commitment in terms of co-investing on the development, for example, financial, intellectual property, know-how, to ensure that the parties are equally vested in the success of the partnership and the benefit that will be generated. Again, thank you for participating in UMEX and IDEX.